The golden power of turmeric, benefits for seniors. Welcome back to Health Simplified. In today's episode, we're diving into a golden spice with centuries of healing power, turmeric. Let's uncover how this ancient remedy can benefit you. Chapter 1, Turmeric, a 4,000-year-old remedy. Turmeric, also known as Curcuma longa, has been used for over 4,000 years, dating back to Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine. In India, its vibrant yellow color symbolizes health and healing, and for good reason. The spice wasn't just for cooking, it was medicine. Fast forward to today, researchers at Harvard Medical School and other top institutions have confirmed that turmeric's main active ingredient, curcumin, is a powerhouse with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Chapter 2, How Turmeric Fights Inflammation and Aging. Here's where the science gets really cool. Imagine your body as a machine, and over time, that machine wears down. That's inflammation. As we age, inflammation affects our joints, leading to arthritis and stiffness. Curcumin steps in as the body's mechanic. Curcumin is the active compound found in turmeric, responsible for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. A 2016 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food showed that curcumin reduces inflammation by blocking enzymes responsible for this response. Curcumin, nature's inflammation fighter. Chapter 3, Best Ways for Seniors to Take Turmeric. Alright, so how can seniors get the most out of turmeric? Turmeric supplements are the easiest way to get a consistent dose. Look for ones that include black pepper extract, specifically piperine, which increases absorption by up to 2,000%. You can also add turmeric to your diet, soups, curries, or even a warm turmeric tea. Remember to pair it with a pinch of black pepper for better absorption. Chapter 4, The Cultural Influence of Turmeric. Turmeric's healing power across the globe. In India, turmeric has deep cultural roots in religious rituals and healing traditions. In Southeast Asia, it's applied directly to wounds for its antimicrobial properties. Today, turmeric's popularity has spread worldwide, and it's even a staple in modern kitchens, adding health benefits and flavor. Chapter 5, Choosing the Right Turmeric Supplement. What to look for in a turmeric supplement. Not all turmeric supplements are created equal.
Here's what you should check for when choosing the right one. Turmeric curcumin with black pepper, piperine. Ensure it includes both curcumin and piperine for better absorption. Recommended dosage. Many supplements will contain around 500 to 1,000 milligrams of turmeric per serving, along with around 5 to 10 milligrams of piperine. Trusted brands. Reputable brands often highlight their use of piperine or biopurine on the front label. Popular high-quality options include brands like Nature's Bounty, Doctor's Best, or Gaia Herbs. Third-party testing. Look for certifications like USP or NSF to make sure it's been tested for purity. Bonus ingredients. Some supplements also include other beneficial ingredients like ginger or vitamin D for joint and brain health.
Chapter 6, Safety and Final Considerations. Is turmeric safe for everyone? For most people, turmeric is safe. But if you're on blood thinners like warfarin, turmeric could increase the blood thinning effects. That's why it's essential to consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you're on medication. Wrap up, stay golden with turmeric. So there you have it. Turmeric is a natural ancient remedy with modern scientific backing. It can reduce inflammation, protect your brain, and support joint health, especially when paired with black pepper for better absorption.
Thank you for joining us today on Health Protector. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Stay healthy, stay golden. Thanks for watching!